So here I'm making a 6-area mannequin and just spacing it out, putting a center line in, and then I'm going to put the circles for shoulders, put in a pair of underwear with the greater trochanter hip joints. The knee is halfway between the hips and the ground. Elbows are at the bottom of the rib cage, and there we go, we're done just like that. And here I'm going to pose a character using this mannequin, and you can see at the end of the arms there where the hands are, I just draw whatever shape that I think will represent the palm best. And then here I'm just placing the rest of the mannequin, and now I'm adding the female body shape that I've showed you in other videos, and then putting in the lats, putting in the leg, the butt, and then the calf, and here we go, the quads, the knee. Now notice that the knee is folded, and that's the way the bones work in the knee. They fold under one another. So that's an interesting anatomy detail you should know. And there you can see by putting in that wedge that it was easy to add the thumb and fingers to. And here I'm adding the upper arm, and then the forearm, the thumb, and the fingers. Again, that wedge just helps me get some kind of perspective into where the hands should go. And doing the collarbones and chest and rib cage, putting in the ab series. I always put in the 10-pack, and there we go.